What's up, everybody? Hope you guys can hear me clear. I don't want my music too loud, you feel me? Running just a little bit in the background. Alright, so we got some charts pulled up here. Oh, this is not my chart. Go back to it. Oh, and this is where we at. Let's see what we got today. Let's get rid of them. I hope everybody's having a really good Monday. Welcome back to the chart, y'all. No, you guys, I do not have my camera on today because I just want to focus on the charts. I don't want you guys to focus on me. Alright, so we're just going to recap on where we left off yesterday. Okay. Make sure everything is looking good here. We actually shouldn't even be here long today, guys. It's a Monday. Real quick, let's just check. Monday the 27th. It is a bank holiday in other countries, and it is a holiday for us too. So happy Memorial Day. But we just come to the charts today just to see what we can find and what happened yesterday. We could tell that yesterday really wasn't this is all it did yesterday, right? From I think around, what time was it? Oh, like around this time here. So pretty much from here to here is all we've gone. So let's just see, from here, she moved about a good 111 pips. We're back at 76 pips from the time of opening on Sunday. So let's just see what we got, you guys. I don't expect too much volume today due to the bank holidays and the holiday. So this might be just a real quick, easy stream today, y'all. I'm just gonna go through here and just see what I see. Since we left off on Friday, let's see where we left off at. We got some nice little pushes to the upside, this expansion here, taking out the highs, coming back down, giving it a reason to fall, right? So I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit because this is all the stuff from last week, as you can tell. Last week and up here, actually this was from last week. This was from the week before. So I want to kind of catch to see what's happening here because we didn't continue, you know, we reversed. You know, what goes up must come down and what goes down must come up. So guys, I'm actually noticing something. Let me just clean this up. We didn't get up here, so we'll leave that. I just want to clean up all this stuff down here because we're done with that pass. And this is all like most likely lower time frame markings right here. We got a lot of 4-hour liquidity in this candle. This imbalance here needs to be balanced. So the way she's looking right now, by the way that they came down and reversed at this price. Let me see, put it right on the tip. All right, they came and reversed at this price here at 23.25. It looks like we are still wanting to give like a push up. I figured if she turned around here, that up in this candle here is where we would be heading to. But guys, if you look at this, all last week she was falling, right? We need to correct that. We do need to get a little correction going here. So let's see if maybe we can still get this push to the up high side. All of this here is insufficiency in price, most likely on a higher time frame. I'm sorry, lower time frame, because we're on the higher one. Yo, it's still early, y'all. It's Monday morning. Come on now, give me a break. I don't know. Saying something about I have an error. You know, Monday morning errors. I gotta open up my YouTube studio and see what the heck they talking about here. Let's see what happened. Wow, I'm letting that load up. And it could just be because I'm playing music. I could be getting a copyright strike right now. Let me see. I don't know, but let me pause it for right now. I don't know what's happening now. Hold on, guys. Just bear with me. It's a Monday for sure. It's not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming as such. Let me see. Buffering. Oh, my bit rate. Stream bit rate of 2500. Okay. So I'm not sure how the stream is looking for you guys, but it's saying my bit rate needs to be increased. But I'm not finna worry about that right now. Alright, it's just saying I'm not receiving enough bit rate, which I'll have to fix later after the stream. I'm not too much worried about that right now. Again, let's keep looking. Let's I'm gonna take you guys to the 1 day real quick. 1 day is daily chart is showing us we still haven't broke below this low yet. We could still come up a little bit higher before doing a reversal. I would like to see that. All right. Let's see something. All right. Just hide this real quick. Yeah, look at this. I want to see her come up some to this area here. Okay. And then I would like to see her reverse. I did have gold, you know, a line up here saying that gold could reach up to 2,500, right? Like she's not done. She hasn't broken the trend on the daily at all. As you could tell, look, we just been moving up. We did a little bit of small retracement, but we're moving up. All right. This area here, if you guys can see what's happening here, was a strong, it was a sell, and then it was a strong push up. We see that, right? It never came back, but it did come back here. But it hasn't got that low. But it did put in this candle that pushed up, it did come back down into this candle. So there's insufficiency in price. So we still have a little bit of insufficiency in price below, but not much. Maybe that was just enough for them to dip and continue up. All right. So when I say they, you guys, I'm talking about the banks. All right. I'm talking about banks, y'all. This game is a chess game. We are playing against the banks. Know your opponent. We got to see when the banks is coming into the market. You got to know what the retail traders would think when they see the banks made a certain move. You must know all of these things as a trader, because trading is not an accident game. This is they're moving price purposely to a certain price point, and then they might do a reversal at that price point. Okay. So according to this, let's just real quick. Will it let me mark this up? All right. I already have like a little area of where she came down in at. So this would be this right here. This new box that I just placed here would be the box that I would have wanted price to come back down to and then reverse. So this is the daily. So let's just drop down to the 4 hour real quick. Just do a quick top down analysis, y'all. We don't need to do too much today. Just a little quick top down analysis just to see what happened. Because she's moving. Oh, by the way, if you're in the trading group, you already got the signal. I put out a signal this morning. Usually right when I wake up, you guys, I can see exactly which way this market is going to go at that around 7 o'clock hour. If she hasn't did the push, you know, to take liquidity in one direction. If she did that already, I'm going to take the trade. I'm going to look for an entry and use proper risk on the trade. Currently, the team, if you're in my trading group, we're sitting at 23.43, I believe. I want to say 23.43. Let me check with the group. Yes, 23.43, and TP1 is 23.45, where we're sitting right now. All right, 23.47 up here, somewhere up in this area, like right here. Oops, what was that? Oh, okay, I'm still in drawing mode. All right, let me get out of drawing mode. 47, and then 49, and 51. Is areas that I'm looking to take profit in. So the group has already, already getting an alert for 2347. All right, so 2347 has been smashed. 2345 has been smashed. Let's go ahead and I'm updating the group right now. And where's my little emojis? Okay. And she hit both of my TPs right before stream. Guys, I'm telling you, this happens so fast. If you do not get in my signals group and get the signals early, like we were already in at 2343, guys. All right, we were already in this trade. We've been in this trade. All right, so she's already hit our, let me see. Did she hit 49? Yeah, she tagged 49. So all TPs have been smashed this morning, guys. TP3. My little predictions paid out. Alright, that's TP3. TPs have been smashed already. So, let me move this to here. And that was real quick. We can go ahead and, I'm just updating the group right now. Letting them know. For those that are following along. Let them know that all the TPs have been smashed. TP2. Oh, I didn't put TP1 was in there. TP1 was here too. I just didn't send it to the group. But all TPs have been smashed, so that was easy. Like I said, we shouldn't be here long at all. We might get a move, we might not, but I see that she did decide to push. We'll just go ahead and, you know, put this trade at break even. Let me see something. I had 2349. 2349 was smashed. Okay. I don't know why I put one at 2351. We don't need an alert for that. I just want to see if she get up into this area here. Right, my little eyeball, y'all. Y'all see that eye? Okay. We're already at break even, so let me just update the trade, the group, and let them know. I'm actually going to have them secure 20 clicks at 23. SL at, we're going to just go ahead and take 20 clicks off the table like that. Real easy. I'm just going to, we already did break even. We're not going to, when we hit 20 pips, we just hit 20 pips. So we're not going to do break even right now. Move until to price 23.45. All right. Boom. And it's a win, and we are 20 pips in profit. at 25, like right here. So this would be our SL is now 20 clicks in profit. Oops. All right. At this price here. So now we're sitting 20 clicks in profit. It did hit my point of interest area that I had marked up here. I would like to see her get here. Due to the fact that her moving above these double tops, right? There was money sitting there, so we're gonna X these guys out now because they're done for, right? We're 20 clicks in profit, so this is a win-win no matter what, guys. We're gonna just keep analyzing. Even though we are in profit and she is moving in an up direction, we are still going to hold and just do some, more investigations on what we see here. We're just gonna put eyes here. And okay, we got big eyes up here. Will she come up here? I don't know. Time will tell, right? As long as the SIC group is in profit and they've made money today, we're good to go. I'm just going to drop down to the 5-minute real quick, see what's happening in this area here. She's going to continue up. I think we're going to get up in this eye area here at the 23.50 area price and continue. Guys, I've been sitting here watching these markets for years, okay? I could pretty much tell you what they're going to do. I'm just basing it off of the past. I do see a lot going on below too. But due to the fact that if you go back to the daily, where is the daily? Oh, it's over here. Okay. I know it's a little messy. That's because this is all the stuff from last week. I'm going to clean it up because I want you guys' eyes to be able to see this. All right. And these are just past, just in case you're new to the stream. These are past predictions that I had that all played out, as you could tell. All right. So here we are. We got 3 days worth of pushes. Boom, boom, boom. Right. Now we reach down in insufficiency in price, we reverse. Guys, price is bouncing between insufficiency and price. For some of y'all that like to trade with smart money concepts or like these little big terms or whatever, what would you call that? Fair value gap, right? Me, I just keep it simple. Insufficiency in price. Why? Because there was only one way play. There was all buyers here and I could see it. Right? There's all buyers, there are no sellers. So they have to come down and put a black candle in that candle. You see that? They came down, put this candle there. Just in case you're not seeing what I'm pointing at. This candle had insufficiency in price when they moved up. They came down with this candle, boom, got into this insufficiency in price, and then reversed. You see how easy that was? That was very easy. This candle, right? Not this candle in the middle of a wave. No, this one. This is the candle that had the insufficiency in price. This candle would have been a target for sales that we were taking before. This was a target candle. This was a target area, right? This area here, this could have been your last target if you were selling, but you better get out that trade because she is going to turn around. And we would have saw this on the lower time frame, right? You would have definitely saw this on the lower time frame. So let's go to it. Just a little quick top-down analysis for you guys. All right, back to looking left, right? Let's see what she did. Boom, all of this here. These guys are out. All of these people here are out. This is a bottom liquidity here, built up a liquidity down here, so they had to come and take that. And they took it in reversed. You see what I'm talking about, guys? I don't need to sit up here and talk about, oops, did I do something? Okay, I didn't do anything. I don't need to sit up here and talk about retail talk. Y'all not going to get that on my channel. Sorry. I'm not going to sit up here and talk about support resistance levels that don't exist. Sorry. What I am going to talk about is what I see on the chart as far as price action. All right, naked forex. Everything on here is something that I drew on here. So this is what makes my story make sense. And it should do the same for you. This is how you should be trading your trades. I don't know if you're trading the other way. Good for you if you're making profits. But I'm gonna just be honest with you. Consistency is key. So if you can't be consistent with that type of trading, if you're finding yourself in and out of profit all the time for years, it could be you need to change your trading. Your mindset on how you're viewing the markets is wrong, right? You shouldn't be always getting stopped out of your trade just to watch it go in your direction. There was a reason, all right? Go and find the reason. The reason could just be, it could be anything. Just it has something to deal with your psychology. So you need to go and fix that, okay? Now, what else can I say? Because it's a Monday and we are actually done. It's before 8:30 and we're finished. I'm looking for the rest of the week for these areas here to get smashed. I'm saying this on a Monday. Y'all, check back with me Friday and see what happened. These areas most likely would have probably got hit, or they got hit and reversed, or they got ran through and continued to the upside. One or the other, guys. One or the other. All right. So, again, this market is looking pretty good, though, to be honest. Little insufficiencies in price. You guys should be marking up insufficiencies in price as you do top-down analysis. I notice a lot of people do top-down analysis wrong. I mean, I'm not sure if there's a real right way of doing it, but I guess in my eyes it would be the wrong way for me to do a top-down analysis, right? I'm marking areas where I see big banks have played. And, you know, making my my decision based off of where they played, seeing them, how they take liquidity and move. That's the train I'm trying to be on. I don't want to be on a train with the retail traders. I want to be on a train with the money, with the big banks. And yes, you can see that they are now, this train is moving. I want to see this train get all the way up here. Let me see if there's something on the lower time frame. I usually don't look at the 15-minute, but there's usually like something in the 15-minute that, you know, we can see. It's just a little gap over here, guys. Nothing too crazy. Just a little bit, but I am seeing all this above. I'm wondering if this week we can get up there. We might get up there this week. You never know. We are taking some serious liquidity here. Nice little push up. take liquidity here. Maybe we can get here and then reverse. You never know. We'll have to see. Let me check the 5 minute. So this was nice, guys. I don't know if y'all see this. Look at this. I'm going to just draw it out real quick. Tops, right? We got them tops there, right? We got double bottoms here too. Now, the tops was taken, which means that we still got some money sitting below here. And then I also want to mark up, I mark up anything that my eyes see, guys, here. Here, below, all of this below. I actually could have just taken this all the way here. This was a nice push-up candle here on the 5 minute. With this accumulation happening, one side was taken, good strong possibility of them turning around here at this insufficiency in price. Remember, that was one of my targets I was wanting them to get up to. And then if you look left, also this is why I keep my stuff on my chart so my eyes can stay vigilant of everything that I marked. This push up to the sell to the downside, we can come back into this candle in the future. Now watch. We came back into this candle, that same candle. Now she's not, usually if I'm looking for a market to come back into a certain price point, I'm going to watch and just see how she reacts in that area. I'm not going to hit the button or nothing like that. One, I've already made my analysis down here at 23.43 that we were pushing up, right? And the main reason for that was basically, I seen the accumulation, but I also seen this candle here. And in the fact of the matter, we did 2 pushes to the downside, and we rejected. We refused to move lower. So this kind of gave me an idea, like, hey, I can get into this trade, and this trade should continue up. I can go ahead and grab my little 60 pips and get moving. Now, if she turns into 100 pips, 200 pips, great. But all I'm looking for is that 60 clicks, and I'm out for the day. That's it. And you guys don't have to sit here and trade all day. Like, you don't. I think some of y'all sitting here all day long looking for a move when there's no volume. You must have volume, right, in these markets. So I'm now just waiting, which we're pretty much done for the most part today. The team, the group, SIG team is done. Make sure y'all go to the description below, okay, and go ahead and get in that free Telegram group. All right, I throw signals out here and there. But my VIPs are getting a lot of money. They're getting a lot of signals in there. So if you want more signals, you can go to the VIP group. Or if you want to sit around and wait on that free signal, shoot, sometimes I think all it takes is one good signal. All right, so I don't see at this present moment her wanting to come back down, but you never know. You never know. We're in stop loss is in profit 20. Excuse me, 20 clicks, y'all. And we're up in this area here, which I'm waiting to see how she's going to react. She's kind of stalling a little bit. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's see. Yeah. She's stalling. She's not. I want to see her come like down into this candle here a little bit. maybe get that push up, but we got this wick here, so there's money in that wick right there. So this is money. All right. So we eventually got to come back and get that money. Okay. Will she fall after taking liquidity here? Well, strong possibility. If you know how the banks trade, they take liquidity, move, reverse to the other side. Could we get that sell to come down, take these guys, and then get into our other insufficiency in price right here? Could we get that? Or will we continuation on this market? Looking at the, I like to see how she moves here. Let's just watch it. Maybe she knock us out our 20 clicks. We're 20 clicks up for the day. Or, let's see something. All right. I'm just gonna have to minimize this thing. It's in my way. Let's see. All right. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. She's not giving me any indications just yet of a reversal. I'd like to see where does she slam through, or does she come up and then fall down? Looks like she's wanting to continue to the upside, which is, okay. I'm okay with that. Like I said, I got 20 clicks. We got 60 for the group. But, we get more. If she does get up here in this area, it's a good 217 pip move there. Yeah. Nice little 217 pip move. We'll see. We are now risk free. And now everything else is just free money. We caught our position and we're good to go. So let's just keep looking. Higher time frame is what I want to keep my eye on now. This is it. I'll let the lower time frame do all that up, down stuff. And I'll just watch now as we do a continuation to the upside. I want to see her get here. But I ain't even gonna lie to you. I want to see her get up here. Right? That's what I want to see. Now we could get that all the way up here into this POI. I got a POI right here. Why? Because this was a push up to sell down price. Pushing price down. So up in this area there and draw down. So then draw down up here too. They're not in drawdown there. Well, there's a little bit of drawdown right there. So this is why I have these areas of targets. And that's it for the day. We've taken the gold trade. We've already hit 60 clicks. I mean, what more do you guys want from me? Because this is just too easy. Like, for real. Let me just go to Let me find DXY real quick. No, I got DXY on here. Let's just see what DXY doing. Took liquidity. I ain't even get here fast enough to see it, and I could just see it immediately. Y'all see that? Took this liquidity. It's on the 1 hour. They took liquidity here too. They took all these guys out. So we'll see what happens. Didn't get down here to our dollar signs that we previously marked up before. So this is why, guys, I do this. I leave these on here so that my eyes can still see what I was looking at before. I don't have time to be sitting up here doing the analysis again. I can do it real quick. I can do a top-down analysis real quick. But when I see prices moving like this, it's just good to have it already up, right? Just have it up, so this way my eyes automatically see everything. Let me go to the daily on here. She was reaching for them dollar signs, reaching for them. I need market to push down. I need dollars to go down. Let me see. We got insufficiency here, 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 and below. So you never know, you guys. We might end up getting this. Let's see what you did before. We might end up getting that sell to the push down. Let's just look. Yeah, we might end up getting that sell to the downside now. They closed this insufficiency in price. You see that? Look left. Why did they come down? Well, they were snatching liquidity here. See that? They dipped into insufficiency in price. Came all the way down to it. Closed it out and reversed. But there is still, get out of drawing mode. There is still money sitting below. So there's money here, there's money here, and all this is money too. But I like to put my eyes on it because I can keep my eyes on that stuff right there. These are targets down here. Targets on the lower time frame. So we just gotta stay vigilant of the lower time frame. That was a nice little snatch right there. But let me see if I can catch them. Five minute. This candle. They took them real quick. Last candle up before the down move. Right, they played back up in that area over here. Taking out the highs here, taking out the highs here, taking liquidity, and reversing. See that? Real quick, strong push up, snatch, and then come down. That's nice. Could still see this market push to the downside. All of this here needs to get God dang it, here it is. So we got this, and we got this. This side was taken, right? But we still got money sitting there. And then you also got this money right here, guys. Boom. Listen, I'm looking for areas of targets, and I'm aiming for those target areas as if I am the banks, the big boys, you know? They need players on both sides of the board in order for them to make a play. So if that's the case, then you can definitely see based off of the imbalances in market, and you can see how they accumulate and then they push price to one side and then they quickly reverse to the other. Y'all see that? This is what they do. They gotta do both sides. They don't just do one side. They gotta do both sides. Because they need players on both sides. This is how they play. This is a strong, you can see this. This is strong move down. Taking liquidity. I mean, these guys were pushed so deep into the negative that they had no choice but to get out of the trade. Right? And then on top of that, if we look left, off the 5 minute, they also, when they do these little pushes, they pushing for insufficiency in price. So here goes a little small one on 5 minute. Now we drag this over. Market in the future will come to this area. In the future, will come to this price point. Look how long it took them to get there. This was when? May 22nd. Look what all they had to do in order to come back to that price. To get a reversal. To come up here, take these guys. Oops. Take these guys up here. And now we can move down. Alright? Understand correlations of the market too. I need some of y'all to understand the correlations. Correlations is basically when how is the other trades or how's the other charts moving against this chart, right? Against the chart that you're watching. So you got DXY. If DXY moving down, right, then you better believe that gold is moving up. There's going to be times where you see both of them moving in the same direction. That's why you need to do your technical analysis, and then you need to have your targets. So this way you'll know, like, well, somebody's lying, right? Somebody lying because they don't move the same. I'm telling you, gold is a safe haven. When the dollar falls, people are going to go rush to gold because gold is rising. It's a safe haven. So you got to play as such. All right. Last but not least, I'm just going to go ahead and let's go back to gold real quick. Should be getting some type of little movement here. Oh, look how she did this. She's reacting okay around this area. Let me see something. Yeah, she reacted pretty good around this area. How much was that? It was a good 20 pips right there. Or was it like 25 pips from this entry here? So we'll see, because she still hasn't got down here. Because this is where we entered at, so might just walk away with our 20 clicks today, call it a day, or you took profit at 60 clicks or 40 clicks or whatever. But look at the theory. The theory is what? One side got taken, so I'm expecting her to pull back some. Look at this. This side didn't get taken. And then we still got liquidity sitting below. So that's pretty much it. That's how this game works. If you're paying attention to the best plays to play in price action is when she's moving sideways. Wait on her to finish doing this sideways market crap. Wait on her to take one side, right? If they're taking the side, they're moving into insufficiency in price, right? That's what this is. This is insufficiency in price right here. And then what are they doing? Reversing. See that? Easy bank. Anywhere up in here. I want to see her get up here to 2350, but if she doesn't, it doesn't matter, guys. I mean, minimum I'm gonna walk away with is 20 clicks, and I'm okay with that. I'm happy with that. All right. Dollar is kind of moving down some. So again, as you can see, gold is moving down some, but it ain't gonna stay moving down for long unless dollar reverse. See, dollar gotta continue coming down some. So gold should be reversing sometime soon. But that's pretty much it, guys. I just want to show y'all that, like, come on here on this real quick Monday. It's no news, so it's just basically you get in where you fit in, right? Do your technical analysis and watch as the market play out, right? Will we come down here? The double bottoms. Just know that those are targets in the future. We don't know when exactly market is going to get down to our point of interest areas. That's why we set alerts. You know, you want to set an alert at a certain price point. But I'm showing you guys exactly how this goes. Accumulation area. If you see a market moving sideways, she's not making higher highs or lower highs or anything like that. I'm telling you guys, you're in a accumulation area. The banks are just setting up for the move. That's all it is. It's a setup for the move. She could continue to come back down here. And if this is the case, this is fine. Because, again, I've already got my money for the day. And we were done by 8:30. I'm just sitting here rambling for the next 5 minutes with y'all. Just to, show you guys how market moves. We got an accumulation area, double tops, double bottoms, or triple tops, triple bottom, however you want to look at it. Either one. Just know when one side get taken, they're going to rush and go to the other side. They're going to take the other side. Strong possibility of this coming down here. Let's see. Can I mark it? Yeah, I can. We got a strong possibility of market coming down. Right? It's in this area. She could come down to this area here. This eye. This big eye right here. There's double bottoms there. Insufficiency in price here. It makes sense, right? Gotta make it make sense. Or this market can continue up. Now let me go to the 5 minute. I don't like playing on the 1 minute. It's too choppy. I like to see what's happening up here. And this is pretty much it. You guys, this way of trading, you can mark your charts on any one of these, pairs over here. Any one of these pairs, guys. You can mark your charts this way. You can use it on crypto. You can use it on indices. You can use it on regular ECNs. It's totally up to you. But if you did do it, you will see that it does play out a lot. Your percentage of trading will go up if you trade this way versus, oh man, we still gotta go up. I want to see this week us go up. I ain't even gonna lie. I want to see this week us come all the way up here to 2370. I'm calling it on a Monday. Calling it on a Monday, y'all. Straight up. All right. I'm gonna set an alert right here to let me know that, hey, market came back down to my 20 click area. That's the stop loss and profit for the team. She could go up some more, who knows, but hey, if she does, great. That's just more profits for us. If she doesn't, it doesn't matter. We already got our money. All right, guys. Look, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. For one, the stream is saying something about my bit rate or something, so I hope it's clear on you guys' end. If not, then don't worry. I'll be here tomorrow. All right, 8 a.m. Eastern time. I hit start stream on my computer, right? So make sure you guys are awake, and also, if I said something that you didn't know before, make sure you take notes on it. Write down things in your notebook. I have notebooks full of notes. And I continue to write things down. Even 7 years in the game, I'm still writing things down. Right? But I remember a lot. Right? A lot of it is just off the top of my head, but I still got to write things down. All right? Because I can forget just like the next man can. So, and I might see something new, be like, yo, when the market did this, it did this too. Pay attention to that. You know, just writing just little notes down for myself. But that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you're taking notes when you come here to the stream. Make sure you go ahead and hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So this way, every time I do go live, you're notified. Got a new candle. New hour candle. Alright? Make sure you are here for when I do start trading. And also below in the description is a link to my Telegram group. You're welcome to join. This way, you know, I update the group every day. This way you can stay on track with me. You can follow me. I do have Instagram at MoDiesel. So you can find me on Instagram too. Make sure you give me a quick follow on there. Alright, I'm going to try to come here every day. Actually, I'm not even going to try. I'm going to do it. And the only reason why I won't be here is because I got VA appointments. Alright, there we go. She just hit my alert. Boom. That's all I wanted to see was her to come back down and hit that alert. So 20 clicks is, you know, it's good enough for the day, you know. We hit 60 though, but the 20 clicks in profit is good. You heard my phone go off? Like, yeah, there it is. Alright. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm looking to see this market continue. It might continue up for the rest of the week. We don't know. We're just getting to be here every day. But you don't need to sit here and stare at your charts all day long. Because I'm not. I don't stare at my charts all day long. Again, we were done trading by 8:30 Eastern time this morning. Right? So it's all about time management for me. I don't like to be glued to my charts or sitting in my chair, getting my legs numb from sitting here so long. No, I'm good. I got other things I got to do. I got to hit the gym now. Right? It's 9 o'clock. All right. As soon as I'm done trading, I'm like, all right, whenever time I'm done trading, I'm going to the gym. All right. So now I'm finna go ahead and hit this gym. And I appreciate every last one of you guys for checking out my video. And I will be back here tomorrow. If you got any questions, again, you can find me on Instagram. You can leave a comment on this channel if you want. I'm going to get back to you for sure. And any questions you have, I'm going to answer them to the best of my abilities. All right? But again, I appreciate you guys. Y'all have a wonderful Monday. It's a very slow Monday, but we did get our little money. All right? I'll be back here tomorrow. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure you're productive today. All right? Get some shit done. And I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Same time tomorrow. All right? MoDiesel is out.